You can increase your abundance tenfold. What we focus on expands. What we give attention to grows in our awareness. One year, my parents gave me a brand new microscope. It could magnify very tiny cells. The eyepiece enlarged whatever I looked at tenfold. Here are some simple visualizations that you can do that can help expand your awareness of the limitless supply of abundance that's available to you. So when you pay a bill, imagine that 10 times more money comes back to you from the universe. You put out $10, you get back 100. When you receive money from others, imagine that 10 times more goes back to them from the universe. You receive in 10, they get 100. When you look at your bank account balance, imagine that it's 10 times larger. So if it's $500, imagine that it's now $5,000. And then increase it again tenfold. Imagine that the $5,000 is now $50,000. Finally, if you have any outstanding debts, imagine paying them off easily in full and seeing a zero balance due.